What is up, my peoples? Look what we got. We got basically raspberry lemonade. It's for the gang, it's for the me, it's for David. Secondly, I had to do that. And thirdly, okay, welcome back. So currently gonna do some trading. Now we're gonna do pre-market analysis. Oh, by the way, yeah, I do look quite young. You know, the facial hair. Also, actually, let's get into it. Let me pause it, come back, and then we'll see. We'll do a quick review. And I'm back. So we have in this goodie bag, we have. Hold on a sec. And we have got everything. So, first thing, the actual thing. This bad boy. Look at that. Watch. Just like that, and then you can basically. I'm not going to now, but like. There's nothing here, so I can do it here. Like examples. Like, ooh. Okay, I don't want to get rid of this because I'm trying to do a video. However, I thought, you know what? Let's show the family. So we got that. Very good investment. We got this. This is a bad boy. Look at it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. I mean, I don't really use this, and plus I'm not really looking at where I'm actually doing it at the moment. But yeah, I don't know what I'll use this for. Maybe my dick. Who knows? But then we got basically these, which is like attachments. Unless you want to go bold. This is a lower one, of course. But anyways, let's get back into the actual video because we need to. But yeah, so anyway, this. Okay, it's back. Hold on. I don't miss this. I don't miss having to adjust it constantly, but it's fine. Anyways, yeah, so we'll get into it. So basically, we're going to see what we can trade this week, if we can trade anything. So we'll start off with EU. Now, EU is basically my main pair anyways. So, current model in terms of this is, right, we got, right, from here to here, there was a lot of money that came into the market. We can all agree on that. Now, obviously from structurally, yes, from basic, even here, to come down to here, there's a lot of money to come into this, obviously, for that time. And obviously, I think these were those, right? So there was clearly a lot of money to enter into the market, to basically push down. This was an entire distribution between 2021 to 2022. I think it was the whole of 2021, middle of 2021. It just pushed, right? Just pushing and pushing and pushing. 22 comes around, and just the whole of 2022, right? Now obviously COVID-20, basically COVID-20. Don't ask me why I say COVID-20 because it basically occurred in 2020, but it was 19 because obviously China. The outbreak was like, I don't know, September, apparently in 2022 or 2019. What am I on? Maybe a little bit before, but it was in China. Blah blah blah. Anyway, here we are. Obviously 2023. Obviously around this point, through these breaks, and then through this multiple break, I think there was an understanding that market had basically turned from bearish pushes, right, constantly pushing down, to pushes up. And I think around this point, or even you could technically say before, because we have MB up, big move, right? Money doesn't just do that for no reason. Pushes down, pushes long, and at this point, yeah, you could go 2.0, take a long up, take some more longs. You'd probably be looking for some longs in here, take some longs, right? Even look for longs here. I mean, if you can find money enters around here, you can kind of see. Otherwise, yeah, you ain't getting much because money ain't entering down here at all. You can't see anything. So money does enter even here, and then you can get this move, or you can catch this move, and a few probably in before that, because this is the daily, obviously. You could probably catch a few trades within these thingies, so good weeks basically. Let's just remove everything because we don't need it. So obviously, according to EU, we obviously created those pushes. We created basically what is known as a reaccumulation. Whoops. What is known as a reaccumulation, which is basically just a breakdown. Obviously, this reaccumulation caused from this breakdown, but it did break basically double MB's long. Now we were inside of this zone looking for more longs. However, as we come into this zone, there is an incentive, of course, for longs. You want to see with this do this, but we don't go, oh, I want to see this, so it's going to do this. No, we actually follow footprint. And if is the footprint showing buys, well, I mean, you tell me. Does that look like buys? Does it? No. So yeah, that doesn't count basically. Oh, whoops. Let's just do remove everything. Cool. So yes, we created a reaccumulation, which is bullish, right? And then from this reaccumulation, we've actually confirmed it, right? And this right here, and by the way, this is like pretty much similar, but this right here, like I noticed this, this entire thing right here is the exact same as this right here. Break up, breaks down. However, it breaks down twice this time. So if it can catch itself and buy some longs, then why can't you take it and follow through with these highs? Because my expectation, my understanding is buys. However, at the moment, I mean, if we're looking at this on the 1 day, we're gonna quickly run through this. So we can obviously get through the outlook, but MB1 down, MB2 down, so already quite bearish from that, causing a distribution. So we're actually going to put on this screen around here distribution. For a minute, just like that. Distribution currently 2 MBs down. Now you could go, oh, is absorbing this low, but is it? Because there's no longs, so is it absorbing? I mean, if money enters quite aggressively, then sure, we can probably anticipate an absorption of this SSE from this break. So this would be the SSE, this would be the absorption if it broke long, and then that would be a very powerful move to expect buys. But at the moment, no, there's nothing. So as the week occurs, yeah, this doesn't look like it wants to go up. However, I think price is in quite a big range as well, from here to here, by the looks of things. So price can go like up to here and it's still bearish in my eyes. So if anything, I probably want to be seeing sells, and I've said this for some time, but this, even if it is bullish, there's nothing indicating buys at all. Like, you got some longs down here, awesome, but you got some sells here, here, you know, here, like there's so many sells as well, so you can't really compare. And this could be a redistribution model. However, obviously the alignment is more actually a confirmation on this, because what you've actually done is you've started breaking long. So my expectation is actually this right here is a reaccumulation confirmation. Whoops, got rid of the capital letters. A reaccumulation confirmation. So we have basically confirmed the bullish model. So even if we get a breakdown or a breakdown, I don't really think it's bearish. That's basically what I'm saying. Even though this current model here is pointing down, if I can get on a lower time frame, or on even on a 4 hour, if I can see and notice some breaks, then I can follow those long, and there's an understanding for that, right? However, as we get onto this 1 hour model, right, it's getting saucy now. What do we have? Well, price has created MB1 long, great. Has it broke through long again since? Yes, through this. Now this is an internal break, however, this is MB push long bullish. However, this model doesn't align with, where's the text? I had a, oh here it is. This could be redistribution model. We understand that this could be redistribution. However, do we want to, are we looking at longs? Yes or no? Yes, this, in my opinion, confirmed the reaccumulation. So this break and this break is essentially its own reaccumulation inside of this model. So we've basically got, even though this is distribution, but this is also reaccumulation, because we've got break, 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 and then you've got this low, which obviously was created, which you got a break and a break. So you basically got yeah, something like this, and then price is like here, right? That's what you've got. Now obviously we can actually do this a little bit better, right? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna draw this out with, actually gonna use up the path, and then you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Break long, break long, break long, break long, break down, right? Watch this. Now, although it's not completely straight and we have this, that doesn't matter. If we actually move this somewhere, what do we have? Reaccumulation. So this is what I'm saying, right? Let's remove that now. This is why I'm saying, if on the 1 hour we can start to create longs and a type of accumulation occurring, which we've got break long, we've also came back down to mitigate the SSC, we've moved long from it. This is ready for buys this week. I'm not saying it's going to happen, and hey, market could drop. I don't care. I could be pessimistic AF and I could expect like shorts down, but I ain't gonna go hovering going, yep, this is south. But also I understand that this could either go like this and then absorb, it could go down, go up, doesn't matter to me. I want to see something from here, and if we get something from here, I'll take. If not, I won't take. Now that is the expectation for tomorrow. So number one is basically we want to see buys on EU this week, basically. Next one, gold. Okay. So on the daily, bullish, over extended as fuck. I can't really type. Whoops. Yeah, this right here, overextended, way too overextended. This on a daily, just been things that break out, you don't want to be selling on, by the way, obviously. Yeah, there's nothing, I'm not gonna say sells, and I'm not gonna say much on this, because it clearly not broke through strong, because I think what happened was this was the high, price always comes through, and this is all through like from 2012. It takes really long, and this obviously on a month. Obviously it breaks through, and the same thing happens on every chart and every time frame. It doesn't matter what you do, for the most part. No, anyways, comes up to here. You could count this as its own range, but most times you ain't really expecting. I think this was last year. No, this was last year. I remember this portion. Was it this one? I think it was this portion, honestly. Yeah, it was September, October. I remember this exactly. But yeah, I remember this came down and people were thinking sows, and that could have been the case, but it actually respected SSC or demand zone or MB, whatever you want to call it, because it's pretty much the same. and then pushed, yeah. And this is just like we might stop, who knows? But for now, I don't even know what I'd do with gold. I think overall it looks very extended. Like we created this, and this was a beautiful trade. Is there anything going to be rejected? Who knows? It could literally just go like that. But I don't know about this, to be honest. Go down to maybe a 4 hour and see something different. Because yeah, this looks a bit like I'm a little bit curious on taking this. I don't even know if I can trade gold really. I mean, obviously it makes sense to take buys. Obviously, it's clearly money is related to taking buys. I mean, yeah, this looks like buys. So yeah, starting the week, even if we go on to like a 15-minute, this is phenomenal. This is good. Yeah. Starting the week, I'd probably be aiming for buys. And this looks like he's probably gonna set something up anyways. To be honest with you. I don't know what else I can do. GJ. So daily has been overall bullish, of course. Delivering to these highs, of course. I don't really like the way they're wicking. Well, I don't know if I touch this market. Very long wicks, just here, there, and everywhere, like that. This area, and that's like. Look at that daily though. It's the same with gold. I think there's a lot of wicks on the daily. I'm not a fan. A lot of uncertainty, and then obviously price break down all the way down here and closes here. Like, yeah, I don't know. Obviously, you can use this, but I think this might be new. No, maybe news. I don't even know. I'd probably wouldn't touch this market based on that fact of just shit. It looks shit. Like, even though it looks bullish, GJ, I agree. I'm not a fan of the way like that's a weekly, but I'm not a fan of this. It's an accumulation, of course, and it's mitigated inside this MB. Brilliant. You could look for mitigation. Then if you wanted to go on 1 hour, you could. You can't really see any breaks though. Like, what do you really have? You have this. This obviously broke through, which is brilliant. Broke down, and then we came down. We liquidated basically all these into basically the SSC, which is this area, and now we came pushed up, and then we pushed back down again. Like, at that point, you're like, where does it want to go? Like, yeah, the expectations are up, but what's being given to me is not what I like. But yeah, we're MB1, MB2, double MB up, so good. But I would say buys. I would say bullish. I'm bullish on this. I don't know why the arrow's there, but I'm bullish on this. But there's literally nothing showing me anything to touch. So this one and this one, golden EU, good. GJ would not look at. GCAD. Bullish. On the daily, bullish, yeah. I mean, this is an interesting market because I don't really trade this that often. Bullish, yeah. I mean, we took this low, but current model is accumulation, and honestly, this is a weekly, so you're coming back to like 2022, just been uptrend. So honestly, nothing to worry about. Taking my socks off. Anyone want fuck pics for free? No. Bloody hell. I hope my feet. Can you see my feet? Hopefully not. I just put a foot up, that's why. It's a bit like. yeah, we're all good. Yeah, this looks good. Honestly, bullish on this. We'll go down to like a full hour. We have this actually looks like a quite consecutive market, quite nice. This bearish. I mean, so many clusters, and then we get one big push like this. I'm not going to count this out, but again, I'm also not entirely sure. We went bullish. Redistribution. Bam. I mean, let's see what happens from here. Honestly, I'm interested to see what happens from basically this SSE. Even though it is below, if money can enter and push up high again, I think if it builds something up again, it's good for longs. If not, I'd wait, or I'd probably just have to wait. Yeah. So GU is pretty much the same, I think. UJ, you got just bullish. Definitely bullish. This looks like an entire stage 1, so I think the move on this is gonna be astronomically high. But yeah, bullish. And now you could, at this point, after you've established that, go to a 1 hour something. Reaccumulation. On the hourly, we're not really doing too much. We're just in accumulation or reaccumulation. So I'd want to see some breaks to maybe confirm a lower time frame accumulation. We've got one break here. If we could probably create a breakthrough here, and then maybe a little bit back and forth, and then maybe look for some longs. So I probably want to get involved here or here. Basically the same thing. Yeah, bullish on it, so nothing to really worry about, to be honest. I was gonna look at S&P 500, but I don't really trade this. I'm gonna trade USA at all. USA is just bullish overall. Let's look at the daily. Broke down once. I'd probably say through. Yeah, it's quite hard to tell actually. Probably expecting sales to continue down because the momentum is just being and honestly, this doesn't look, even though the market is bullish, nothing to find. It has broke one up, but we all know that that doesn't mean anything. That could just do this, maybe that, and then play around, chop, get taken out a bunch of times, and then do that, or do that and then do that, or whatever. Doesn't really matter. But you can take unnecessary losses basically. So yeah, I think overall not anything I really want to look through. And yeah, that's it. Now we can start to apply some of these things. Oh, I'm so interested. Yeah, hold on a sec. Hold on. Yeah, I am currently doing a video right now. Yeah, so if you actually watch the video, at some point you'll see me like basically, you'll see me speaking to you, but also recording a video, which is crazy. But yeah, yeah. Okay, so okay, let's continue. I don't want to keep doing that. Okay, yeah. Buys. Buys. I'm a little buy warrior. I got called buy warrior by my brother. He's like, you're such a buy warrior. I'm like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what you think about me, little boy. I actually don't mind this. I'm actually very keen. Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad. Brown and Bad. It could be an absorption. It closes and comes down, bam, bam, comes back up. Money's clearly showing buys. So honestly, buys. Push along, and let's use our moving average. Use the moving average. Well, I do, motherfucker. Stop crying. Alright, baby girl. Alright, what the f is these wicks? I'm not even gonna touch it now. I'm looking away. I'm like side-eyeing it. I'm done. I ain't touching that. You're gonna have another thing coming. Yeah. What are you gonna buy? What are you gonna buy? That's right. Back off. Back off. Pussy. What you say to me? Pussy. Alright, cool. F&B. This is beautiful. I don't really like that. I don't like that at all. I like the way it's rising. I like the way you work it. No dirty. You got to bag it up. Back it up. Okay, currently distribution now. I want to see some breaks long. Oh my god, it's 9:35. Okay, now time went quick. Woo! I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside. Beep. Don't turn, baby, cause you know me. Do am I? The dash there died. Honestly, the expectation is, yeah, buys. So, we're creating that push, yeah. I'm actually buy stuff about this. Buyer. See where we catch ourselves. Okay, beautiful. We're gonna protect here, 15. Just gonna 5R, bam, the finger guns. Alright. Whoops, almost got rid of that. Silly me. 2% risk. See what we get. Oh, I didn't get turned. It really turns me on. It turns me on. I like. What I do like is when moving averages and move like this, because what it's showing is that on average we're riding this up, we're coming down, we're riding it up, and what happened here? We rode it up. We rode it up. You know, that's the trend development, right? And also, it's fine. Like, even though this is quite rough, it's better than chop, which I can't really show you because this is actually here. Like up, down, and there's nothing at this point because you got price here, but this is here. But if you come over to here again, yes, you've got price extended away from this. However, on average, price is mainly near it, so that's fine. Just oh shit. Oops. I don't like this with the wick, so I'd wait. That's fine. I'd probably wait. Wait for the next candle. Yeah, take a buy through here. I'm happy. And obviously, minimum pips is around. And if we double check, but I think for GJ it's around 15. Oh, we can do like 10. Okay. Good. Because we don't need that much. That must relieve me a little bit. Give me a little bit of relief. Yeah. I'm happy with this trade action. I quite like this. Until I fail and go and start crying. Well, is what it is, I guess. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. Yeah, I like this. Beautiful trade actually. We reject, so we're gonna cancel. Let's see what we can build from here. I'd wait. Yeah, I don't like this. I want some momentum pushing along. Now it's just ugly. Yeah, I'm gonna touch. What time are we on now? 11:15. We'll wait till we get to 12, but I don't think we're gonna touch anything. No, doesn't like it. I think overall it is bullish, but we might be catching just a shitty price on this side. Because if we mark this area with a big long line like this, go to the next day, see what happens with the trend. Yeah, push long again, but then it just push. So honestly, again, on this day, nothing to touch. I'm not even to touch the chart this day. Now, yes, I am. Skip the first thing. Yeah, this is good. I like this. It's one of 15 minutes what we got, so some from stage 1 into stage 2. Now we're back into this area, and what we've actually done from here is we've created a 2.0. We've actually managed to hold it. We came back down to fulfill basically this SSC down here, right? We've actually delivered along. Yeah, this is good. I like this. Goodbye. I don't like the wicks though. I don't really like the wicks. I'd wait till it gets a bit clearer, just in price. But I think it was a nice buy, but I wasn't gonna bloody take it because I didn't really like it, to be honest. Yeah. Now we look a bit overextended. I'd have to probably wait at this point. I don't think I'm gonna touch that high up. But this, yeah, this is nice. But I wouldn't be able to take this ITI here, unfortunately, because yeah, it didn't look clean. I mean, yeah, buy through this is nice. Stop would be probably here, to be fair. See if we can continue. We might just get taken out. I'm okay with that, but it's worth the risk in my eyes. It's worth that 2% risk. So click on it, do that. What? I literally clicked onto it. Place order, 2%. There we go. Yeah, we're not gonna touch it because the wick took us out. If we come across like that, again, wick now, cancelling. See what we get. Nope, nope, nope. Yes, 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 yes. I like that. They're all rejecting basically this area, so yeah. Looks good. I take this. See what we get. Somewhere between. Yep. See if we can continue this actually. We might not. I'd be at break even now. Risk free. I like the way you work it. This don't look good. We might get stop break even. Who cares? Not me. Yeah, that was a little bit not a great fun of hitting break evens, but it is what it is. Move to the next day. Yeah, bullish. High time frames actually allowing for margin to push higher, so yeah. Came down, broke long. So we've got FMB1, break 2.0, broke long. I'd wait, but yeah, it could be ready for a long already. Yeah, through this high, I was actually quite interested, but it does look quite high to the top. I'm not going to touch. No, I'm not going to touch it. I'm not fun. Okay, this is alright. Setting up. If we get a buy through, yeah, I quite like this one, to be fair. Probably put my stuff in there. I 1.5, 2% risk, fine. See what we get. No trade. Cancel that order. Okay, come across the top. One more. We'll take this straight through. Yeah. I don't know if I'll probably have my stop here though, to be honest with you. Just based on the fact that, yeah, having any other one don't make no sense. So I'm okay with a bigger stop, to be fair. Might get taken out though, who knows. Yeah, we get taken out. That is what it is. Move to the next day. See what we get. I mean, yeah, I'd be okay with buys again. Makes sense now. Right, so let's see what we get. Nothing B. As part of the ICI, this is actually moving quite clear. And the eyesight is nice. Yeah, this is fine. I like this. Nothing wrong with this trade to be honest. Beautiful trade. Take that. Do we get entered? Right, break down. I'm still actually allowing this as per ICI because it still makes sense. Just bigger stop loss, that's all. Right, there we go. And taking straight out. I think, yeah, it was kind of choppy, like, but you can't do much about that. I mean, yeah, you could probably look for cleaner ICIs like this. That's probably a nice trade. I won't take it because obviously I ain't taking more than that many trades in a day. And yeah, it fails anyway, so I don't know. But yeah, I wouldn't. It was okay, but I wouldn't have taken it. Distribution now, you could probably, if anything, take sours. But like we said earlier, with the alignment, it doesn't align with what we want. Like we want buys, so why should we, doing that? Simply. Broke through, we absorbed. I'd probably actually take that more as absorption. Because look at the way those candles are pushing along as well. Always depends on the candle as well. Yeah, I'm interested in longs, to be honest with you. Broke down quite nicely, flushed out. So I broke in long twice. Coming along this top now, which is okay. Miggins and B. If it comes across the top like this, yeah, a buy right through this is phenomenal. Let's see what we get. We're really far out of line. Alright. Oh, not good. You kind of see how horrible this shit is. And to be fair, this was actually a nice trade. I liked this one. This one was nice. Stop loss would be here, but yeah, this is a nice trade actually. I think that was a very nice trade. To be honest, I don't dislike that one, to be fair. It was quite nice. No rules on basically break even just yet. Now would be a break even, but I don't think the break even matters because look, we already hit 1 to 5. So but yeah, I like that trade much better. I think I'm actually looking more or less for reaccumulations now on my entries rather than overextensions. Like for instance, probably see it on gold better. I mean, you can find it anywhere though, but like as price starts to break through, yes, it can do this on a minute, but like here for instance, like if you're all the way up here trying to look for a buy, it's pointless. Whereas if you're down here, right, that's why I will give myself, okay, we break here, and like let's say it goes sideways or whatever, and then it starts to break long, but I'd actually favour more or less a breakdown as an entry rather than getting here. So even if it comes down, it makes more sense from here. I'd rather take it than on here because it's so far away from this. Let's say it was a bigger move like earlier, that when it comes down, it's much more better and it's absorption and stuff. And at those points, you're actually going to get the breakdown like this, and then the move, and then you can get a potential setup after that. Sometimes you just won't, and it will just dash. It will just dash from here. But yeah, I'm ending this video here because I think we're done. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out. And yeah, bye. Peace.